I'm in the tire shop here. I had this big nail all embedded, full length of course, in this tire. And the tire is unrepairable because the tip of the nail damaged the sidewall of the tire on this side. Let me show you how that looks like. This can happen. So if I rotate this one, this is where the nail came through, and the sidewall of the tire is damaged here, where I'm kind of budging it in. So, because this surface has been compromised enough or cut through enough, it's this whole tire is toast. This can happen to you too. It looks like it's repairable on the outside, but it really isn't. Once you have a good look at it from the inside, like this, you might find the same thing. Alright, that's basically it.